last lecture, we discussed about two input detail NAND gate. This totem pole output. What is totem pole output?
When two NPN transistor connected in series is known as totem pole output.
Very good. When it's open collector, open drain outputs means only what we have to remove this Q3 transistor from the circuit. Then it is called as a open drain or open collector outputs. Okay. Now, why to use this open drain or open collector outputs? Because this is also called as a buffer. It acts as a buffer and it gives us a greater output current and voltage so that it can able to drive the other components of the circuit. See this diagram. This is the JK flip-flop. You are having the flip-flop in the third or fourth unit. Here, this is the arrangement. Here transistor is shown and this is about the open collector or open drain output, and it drives this high current, high voltage load. Okay, keep in mind only these things. You don't have to learn the working of the circuit. Okay, this type of circuit that when Q3 is removed from the circuit, you can call it as an open collector or open drain output. Now, what is the disadvantage of this circuit? That it has a low switching speed, and if it is remain floating, it is difficult to go output high or low. So you have to connect one resistor that is called as a pull-up resistor. Okay. One more point is that unconnected inputs. Suppose if we are not connecting any one input, what is happening? If anyone is remaining disconnected, the emitter base junction of the Q1 will not be forward biased. हमने देखा है कि हम लोग इनपुट कहाँ पे दे रहे हैं? Q1 के emitter को. You have seen that multiple emitter construction of the transistor. Okay. So if any one of the input is remaining disconnected, then emitter base junction of the Q1 will not be forward biased and it will be treated as a logic 1 always. Doesn't matter whether it is a floated or what, but you don't have to remain as it is, that is remaining unconnected. You have to connect this unconnected input to the VCC through a resistor, because we are saying that it is always treated as a logic 1 even if it remains unconnected. Okay, see this diagram, that's unconnected floating, that A and B you are connecting and this wire we are kept as it is. So what you have to do, you have to connect this third input to the VCC resistor, or you can make the arrangement like this. You can connect this input to any another input like this. Got it? These things are required for the practical purpose. You can't keep the any one of the input floating. Okay, either you have to connect it to the VCC or either you have to connect it to any other input. Are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is about unconnected inputs. Now this last point before CMOS, that is a tri-state logic. Till now we have studied that there are two logics. Which logic? Logic high and logic low. So one is represented by
High output.
0 is represented by the logic low. Now
Logic.
as its name indicates, tri-state logic means there is a one more stage. That can be output stage can be high or low, and third output state is called as a high impedance, that is called as a high Z. Now in the high Z state, what happens? The output is disconnected from the external circuit. जो भी input रहा doesn't matter. Okay, this is called as also don't care condition. So see this diagram. This is the high given to this and enable, that is low. there is one more input. This is called as a E or enable. This is remaining low. Here it is also remaining low. So for the buffer or inverter circuit, whenever you are applying the high, you will get the low at the output. Whenever you are applying low, you will get the high output. Means what? Whenever enable for enable, it performs the normal logic operation. It doesn't affect on the circuit. But when it is a high, enable is equal to high, E is equal to high. Whatever may be the input, either low or either high, don't care condition, this will be remain as it is. Now why we are doing this? अगर ऐसे ही होना है तो क्यों करना है ये? देखो ये last statement. When the outputs of many chips are tied to the same bus, at any time only one of them just disconnected now. Can you listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके तो समझ में आया ट्राई स्टेट में क्या रहता है 3 स्टेट रहते हैं हाई लो और हाई इंपीडेंस ओके so why it is needed because when we are using the different buses and connecting on a same chip